Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, again in this video I'm going to share a very good job opportunity for all of you. See, this opportunity is coming from Deloitte company, and guys, Deloitte is one of the really good company to work with, and they are offering two job roles. I'm going to share the two job opportunities with the Deloitte company. One is the role of analytics, and the other one is the role for DevOps engineer. And guys, all the technical engineers are eligible to apply for this opportunity, whether you have completed your BE, BTech, any technical degree. We'll see in detail about the eligibility criteria, job role, how you have to apply, everything in this video. So you don't have to worry about anything. Just don't miss the video and do watch till the end. Okay. Deloitte, they are hiring all the candidates for the position of DevOps engineer. The job location is Hyderabad. We'll see in detail about the job eligibility. Here they have given all the responsibilities as DevOps engineer, what you need to do. So you just go, I'll give you a link in the description box, read out all the job roles. If the job role suits to your skills, go ahead, apply for the opportunity. The basic educational requirement that is required here is bachelor's degree, that is in computer science, engineering or related fields preferred. So if you have done your BE BTech in any branch and interested in this role, go ahead, apply, and if you belong to computer science, engineering or related field, you will be preferred. Okay, and they have not mentioned any specific batch here, so all the batch candidates are eligible to apply. They have not asked for mandatory professional experience, so if you're a fresher, then also you can apply. Okay, so this is a good opportunity, guys. Here you should be an innovator with intellectual curiosity and creativity, adaptable, flexible, and a professional with integrity, a good communicator with excellent verbal and written communication skills. These are the skills requirement. I hope you all made this requirement. Okay, so please do check the complete notification, all the related skills required if you have, and if you are eligible, please do apply as soon as possible. There are no application charges. Okay, now we'll see about the next opportunity that is coming from Deloitte company. This is a role of analytics. Guys, again the location is Hyderabad, and as an analytics assistant in the audit practice, you will provide assurance and related services to their clients. You would be involved in all stages of audit, that is planning, execution, and reporting. Okay, so this is the profile, guys. Here they have given all the details. I'll give you a link. You just read out all the details before applying. So as an A&A analytics assistant in the audit practice, you will provide assurance and related services to their clients, okay, and use multiple technologies and analytic tools, techniques on audit and assurance engagements to mine large data sets for identifying unusual trends. Along with that, you will be involved in designing, build, test, and implement new analytics solutions, okay, deploy analytics on audit and assurance engagement. For this profile, guys, you should have understanding of different ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, JDE, PeopleSoft, etc. with respect to data mapping. Okay, you should you're going to gain exposure to analytics technologies like SAS, W, SQL, R, Python, Power BI, ACL, DataWatch, Monarch, etc. Understand various business process cycles and develop relevant and analytics to identify anomalies. So guys, it's a really good opportunity if you want to learn new technologies and if you want to have interest in all this. Okay, now we'll see about the qualification that is required here. If you are having a bachelor's degree in engineering, means if you have completed your BE, BTech, any branch, you are eligible, and your cumulative grade point average CGPA of 60% equivalent with no current backlog. So guys, if you don't have any backlog and if you have 60% and above, you are eligible to apply for this opportunity if you have done your bachelor's degree in engineering. Okay, so guys, this is the requirements, and all the freshers are eligible, and if you have any relevant experience in data analytics, then up to 2 years you are eligible. Experience handling large data files in different formats along with the programming skills, experience in building meaningful visualization and package solution, technical skills in SAS and MS Excel. So guys, if you know all these things, they are not asking for mandatorily professional experience. If you have basic knowledge, you can apply for the opportunity because they are hiring freshers as well. But you should have strong programming skills, okay, then problem solving skills, along with that good communication skills and strong computer programming skills, that is programming languages like C, C++, SQL, programming foundations, relational databases, and good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So this is the main requirement, guys. So guys, if you are eligible, if you have all these skills, just do mention all these things in your CV and apply for the position as soon as possible. The job location is Hyderabad and Gurgaon. Okay, and they're open up to 5 lakhs per annum. They have not disclosed their package, but according to the sources they are ready to pay up to 5 lakhs per annum, and depending on your experiences and previous salary they'll give you hike. All the best, guys. Both the positions are really good. You should apply. Deloitte is a very good company to work with, and no application charges are there. Okay, I'll give you a link and you just need to apply via that link or from their official career page. Okay, all the best, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you're looking for a job or job change, and if you're preparing for any off campus drive.